Hey everyone, welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to add a payment method to your Xfinity account in 2025. Whether you're setting up autopay for your internet, TV, or mobile services, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. It's a simple process that keeps your bills paid on time and avoids any service interruptions. Let's dive right in. First, grab your phone or computer and open the Xfinity app or head to the Xfinity website. If you haven't already, download the app from your app store for a smoother experience. Once it's open, log in with your Xfinity username and password. If you're new, you'll need to create an account first. Don't worry, it's straightforward. After logging in, look for the main menu or dashboard. Tap on Account or Settings to get started. From there, navigate to the Billing section. This is where all your payment and subscription details are managed. It's usually easy to find, but if you're stuck, use the search bar. In the billing area, find the Payment Methods option. Click or tap on it to see your current methods. Now, select Add Payment Method. You'll be prompted to enter your details, like your credit card number, expiration date, CVV, or even bank account information for direct debit. Double-check everything for accuracy to avoid any errors. Xfinity might ask for verification, such as a code sent to your email or phone, so keep an eye on that. Once verified, confirm and save your new payment method. You're all set, and that's it. You've successfully added a payment method to your Xfinity account in 2025. This update can make managing your services a breeze. If you run into any issues, check the Xfinity Help Center or contact support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.